Hello, everyone. I am Michael. All of our friends are very happy today. Why? Because all of you who followed my short-term trading signals today received over 200% of their profits. The short-term gains this time should be said to be delayed arrival. We should have been able to reap the gain yesterday. But we are only getting the final gain today. Why do I say so? What was the reason why I didn't share the trading signal with you yesterday? Owing to yesterday we expected the market to rise sharply. It didn't appear in the end, but it fell sharply. Why? Yesterday, Bitcoin's market fell from around $37,000 to around $35,000. But why did we say that yesterday should have been an increase? Because a very important piece of data was released yesterday. That's our CPI annual rate and CPI monthly rate data. So let us take a look together. Both the annual CPI rate and the monthly CPI rate. There has been a decrease. And it is far below expectations. What does this mean? This indicates that our current inflation has been effectively suppressed. What does that mean? This means that the possibility of the Fed raising interest rates is greatly reduced. Do you remember that the Federal Reserve has continued to raise interest rates from last year to this year? What is the purpose? The purpose is to curb rising inflation, since inflation has been effectively suppressed. So the possibility of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates is greatly reduced, right? As everyone knows, if the Federal Reserve does not raise interest rates, it is a great advantage for our market. Whether it is the stock market, gold, crude oil, or the cryptocurrency market. As you can see in yesterday's US stocks have risen sharply. Returning to our cryptocurrency market, there was actually a decline yesterday. We want to delve into the reasons here. Because if I were to analyze some of the potential causes here, there may be many reasons to analyze. So let us go back and look. The market should have risen yesterday, but did not appear. That is also why I didn't share trading signals with you all yesterday. But today's rising market has emerged. As you can see, we started the trade today at here. The AB price line. I think everyone should be very clear. If the trend composed of AB and CD lines is broken, the market is very likely to have a rapid rise. So here we chose to lay out. In the end, as we expected. After our layout, Bitcoin went from $36,400 to $37,600. We ended up taking more than 200% profit. I think everyone seized this opportunity today, right? We also have another opportunity today, which allowed us to capitalize on a 280% gain. Yesterday, I told you all about our wealth code technology graph. Do you still remember? The wealth code technical graph is closely related to the candlestick chart. When such a long upper shadow appears, the price of BTC dropped directly from $36,440 to $36,260. Space close to $200. The wealth code technical graph reappeared at this point. When the market drops to a certain extent, the technological graph of wealth code has emerged. The price of BTC rose directly from $35,400 to $36,350. It is the wealth code technology. If there is anything unclear about the wealth code, you can check out my previous sharing in our group. Today's wealth code technical brings us a round of very quick short-term gains. When the market rose to a certain high, and a long upper shadow appears, there is often a rapidly declining market trend. When the price drops to a certain low point, a long lower shadow appears. The market often experiences a rapid upward trend. From the technical point of view, the rise and fall of market prices can be regarded as a game between two funds. These two funds are the bull funds and the bear funds. When bear funds are strong, prices will fall. When the bulls are strong, prices will rise. Can everyone understand this? So what does it mean when such a long upper shadow appears? It means that the bull funds has been depleted and the bear funds has begun a rapid counterattack. The bulls have no time to react at this time. So there will be a rapid decline in prices. On the contrary, when such long lower shadow appear, it means that the bear funds has been exhausted. The bull funds begin to counterattack. At this point, the bear funds have no time to react. The market price will appear a round of rapid rise. That's the principle of the key technical points of the wealth code. Everyone must pay attention here. Whether it's the long upper shadow or the long lower shadow, it must be very long. The second point is that the body must be short. This can only represent a reversal in market prices. Only then can we determine the emergence of the wealth code technical graph. If you are not very familiar with the technical graph of wealth code yet, or you want to learn more in depth, you can message me. Let us return to the Bitcoin market. The current price of Bitcoin is around $37,500. Currently, no matter from the CPI data released yesterday, from the current global political and economic situation, or from the perspective of the flow of global funds, Bitcoin is going to be on a continuous upward trend, and the mining revenue will be halved in April 2024. So before TART, should we lay out Bitcoin in advance? This is a great opportunity for us. Currently, my midterm orders have reached 2,178%. Of course, it doesn't end there. If you want to follow me in investing, or if you want to follow me in more depth, but you do not know how to contact me, you can leave me a comments below the video. That's all for today's sharing. I will share more exciting content with you in the future. Thank you for watching.